Mourinho, as per former coach wey you be, who you feel say go carry this season EPL title?
Wetin you mean by former coach? I still be coach oh. No call me former anything.
Oh boy, calm down, Joe. You not be coach anything. You be former coach. If you be coach, which team you the coach?
Sorry, you no go mind your business, abi? Now you I dey talk to.
Nothing like that. If to say you collect that Portsmouth job where I give you after Man U sack you.
Man you no sack me, na me come out by myself.
Oga no dey tear life for us, Joe. Allow me make I talk. If to say you collect that job, by now, you for don't fit upgrade reach coach level.
Which kind job be that where I go dey clean dressing room? I swear na God go punish you. See I beg, leave me make I answer person question, Joe. Kubala. For me, I go like make Chelsea win EPL this season. Because Lampard na my boy, and na me teach am everything wey him sabi now. But the thing be say, I know say them no go fit win. EPL competition too much. If them no take their time, them go relegation sef. E no dey like Spanish league where Madrid go dey jones up and down, lose 35 out of 38 games. They cut everybody sleep anyhow, still qualify for Champions League join. That one no fit happen for EPL now. Anyway sha, minus Chelsea, I feel say na Man City go still carry am this season.
Oga Sarri, wetin you get to tell us?
Me, I want make Wolves carry Premier League this season. Those guys they like White Walkers for Game of Thrones. Them no dey fear face. You see wetin them do Man City for pre-season? Man City no even fit score them one goal. I go like make them do wetin Leicester City do that year for EPL. Make them bite all the big and small teams with the EPL.